Do you also suffer from gas, acidity, indigestion, or constipation? Does your stomach feel heavy or digestion feel slow after every meal? Well, you're not alone. Due to today's lifestyle and poor eating habits, almost everyone is dealing with digestive issues. But don't worry. In today's video, we'll share the reasons why digestion weakens and the easiest ways to fix it. So, if you want to improve your digestive health, make sure to watch the video till the end. The first and most important step of digestion. The very first and most important step in digestion is the production of saliva. As soon as we start eating, saliva begins to form in the mouth. Saliva releases an enzyme called amylase that helps break down food, especially carbohydrate, into glucose. This is the first step that makes digestion easier. Saliva not only softens food, but also cleans the mouth, which protects the teeth from decay. The role of teeth and tongue. Our teeth play an important role in digestion. When we chew our food well, it breaks down into smaller pieces, making the digestive process smoother. The better we chew, the better the digestion. Every bite should be chewed 20 to 30 times to break the food down properly. The tongue's job is to move the food around the mouth so the teeth can chew it properly. It also mixes food with saliva, helping in digestion. The tongue pushes the food toward the esophagus, from where it travels smoothly to the stomach. Stomach enzymes and digestion. Once the food reaches the stomach, enzymes and acids start their job. When digestion has already started properly in the mouth, this process becomes smoother. So these are the 4 key things that make digestion strong: saliva, teeth, tongue, and stomach enzymes. The overuse of antacids. What are antacids? Antacids are a type of medicine that neutralizes stomach acid. Whenever we feel acidity, heartburn, or indigestion, we often use antacids for quick relief. But did you know? Many people start using antacids without even thinking whenever they have digestive discomfort. Antacids neutralize stomach acid, but long-term use can disturb the stomach's natural acid balance. Overuse can reduce the absorption of nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin B12, causing deficiencies. Some antacids can even increase the risk of kidney stones. If you feel the need to use antacids often, consult a healthcare professional first. Thus, tips to boost your digestive system. Drink more water. It improves digestion and prevents constipation. Chew food properly. Chewing well reduces bloating and indigestion. Avoid overeating. It slows down digestion. Exercise daily. Walking or being physically active supports digestion. Manage stress. Stress slows down digestion, so try meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Don't eat right before bed. Have dinner 2 to 3 hours before sleeping. For smooth digestion. Best home remedies for digestion. Ginger tea, a natural digestive healer. Ginger isn't just a spice, it's a powerful natural remedy. It stimulates digestive juices, helping relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. How to make it. Take 1 to 2 cups of water and add a small piece of fresh ginger. Boil for 5 to 10 minutes to bring out the flavor. You can also add lemon or honey for added benefits. When to drink. Drink 1 to 2 times a day, especially after meals, for lighter, smoother digestion. Ideal for those who often feel bloated or gassy after eating. Carom seeds. Carom seeds are highly effective for gas, bloating, and indigestion. Chew 1 teaspoon of ajwain directly, or mix it with a pinch of black salt, and take it with water. Apple cider vinegar. It promotes stomach acid productions and helps prevent indigestion. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water. Drink it 30 minutes before meals. Lemon water. Lemon isn't just rich in vitamin C, it's also a powerful digestive booster. It stimulates bile production, which helps digest fats and makes your stomach feel lighter. How to make it. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Mix well. When to drink. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. This not only improves digestion, but gives you a refreshing start to the day. Great for people who struggle with belly fat or heaviness. Special powder mix for acidity, bloating. 25 gram dry ginger, 25 gram celery, 25 gram black salt, 1/2 gram asafoetida. Mix everything and store it in an airtight container. Take this half a teaspoon twice a day. It will help eliminate acidity and indigestion. If you want your digestion to be strong and want to get rid of gas, acidity, bloating, and constipation, follow these tips and remedies. Next time you eat, chew your food well, increase your water intake, and avoid processed foods. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it with friends and family who struggle with digestive issues. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment. See you in the next video.